Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Happy Tuesday it is when I film this, at least, but good to have you all. I am, if you left me or submitted in period one, which was only one group, there was everyone else in the second class, 73. I did leave you feedback because it was pretty easy to do. But what you need to do today is finish your chart. I have tried to give you feedback if you submitted it. I know first period, kind of my mistake, but I did ask you to please submit whatever you had done. This particular groups, I went ahead and gave some feedback. So if we look down here with feedback, in Google Sheets, they have kind of a little, by the tabs, how many comments were left. So they're denoted with this like little orange yellowish sort of arrow, and it shows you what the comments are. If I click down here, I think if I click on it, it shows you all of my comments or where they are. So if you're not sure, you can see it that way. But I left feedback, some ideas, some hints, and your job is to finish the chart today. Then you need to turn it in, but before you turn it in, you need to go to Google Classroom or the agenda. I'll probably have it on there too, but Google Classroom, and you need to do the Detroit to Chicago flight crew selection. Use your chart as a group. Obviously the secretary, or I forgot what I called this person, I think it was the recorder, is going to fill it out, but everyone needs to watch and agree. So choose your class period, choose your breakout room, select one captain from your chart, one officer from your chart, and 2 flight attendants. Remember, they have to be able to go the whole flight, and first person to get the job is the person with the most seniority, the person who's been working the most. So if I go ahead and click here, and if I get rid of these, let's see here, I think, there we go. We look at seniority, and whoever, let's say it gets down to Smith and Anderson, the person who gets the job, if there's only one spot left, but remember you need 2 flight attendants, 1 first officer, 1 captain, is Smith, because Smith has 8.8 years versus Anderson, low person on the totem pole, 1.5 years. So basically today you need to finish this activity, and then you need to do the Google form that sits there and tells me who you're selecting as your captain, first officer, and flight attendant. And to be honest with you, after you submit it, you'll get, if you're right or wrong, if you did all your work correctly. So with that, let's get her done.